Alright YouTube, what's the word? So today we're going to be making a Puerto Rican Sofrito. The way I do it. I'll show you how it's done. So we got just one regular green pepper. One of these. I already started cutting it up. One red pepper. I usually do 6 of these Cuban peppers, right? And to show you what we got going on here. Simple ingredients. You can pause it, you can do what you want, but this is what I use. Two garlics already peeled. 2 cilantro. I usually use the whole thing with stems and all. And then we got the crybaby up in here. You know what I'm saying? Crybaby up in here. 1 whole onion. The bigger the better. I didn't do much, so I cut everything. I put it in the blender. I do got some seasoning there. I know you guys saying it's not green yet because I haven't put the greens in yet. Well, most of the greens. Still gotta do the cilantro. 1 more garlic. I gotta cut the onions, but everything's already in the blender, good to go. And then when I get done, you're gonna want to put some sea salt and some pepper. When I do it, I usually leave the stems in there. That's what gives it more flavor. And then you put it on pulse. Here, put it go to crushed ice. Eventually this is gonna go down by itself, so you don't have to worry about that. You know what I'm talking about? It goes down on its own. See what I'm talking about? So this goes down on its own. It's not like it's not like you gotta do much pushing. It goes down on its own. Good tip when you're cutting your onions so that you're not crying because you already cut the butt. Leave the stove on. Cut the onions next to the stove, and this is gonna prevent your eyes from watering and tearing up. But basically, cut it a little smaller than this. Throw it in there. That's how the cloud's coming out. Put the top back on. Put it back on the ice. That's something to mistake. A little bit of water in there. A little bit of water is gonna help it taste. That's how it's looking like right now. Let's do this thing. Now you just add pepper, and you add as much as you want. There's no really no right or wrong way to doing this. I know you see I'm putting a lot of pepper in there, but that's because there's a lot of stuff in there. Salt. Don't need to put that much. sea salt, so it's better for you. So sea salt's not really as salty as regular salt. That's it. Get one good mix around. Sure it's mixed. And that's it. All done. It's just time to put it in these containers, but remember, if your blender gets stuck because there's too much product in there, you can always add a little bit of water. Not too much, but enough so that it gets moving there, or else you can burn the motor out. But let's get these niggas out of that big ass bowl, right? This is what you get when you're done. Don't look that much, but it's much. This right here cost me no more than $23 to make. It's on a budget.